Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica XS espresso machine. Now for this machine we just gave it tune-up, which means we replaced the brew unit, deep clean everything inside it, deep clean the mechanical as well, and descaled the machine. We'll start with one shot of espresso. We're going to be testing now, then we're going to be using the hot water and then the steam. Nice shot of espresso. Now we're going to be testing the steam. Excellent flow coming out of the one. Great hot water. Nice steam coming out of the one. Fair pressure, fair temperature, working great. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica XS working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.